video, we will discuss about alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are the derivatives of alkanes in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by a halogen atom X, which includes fluoro, chloro, bromo or iodo groups. Alkyl halides are represented by a general formula Rx, where R is an alkyl group, X is a halogen atom like chloro, fluoro, bromo or iodo group. Alkyl halides are produced by the direct halogenation of alkanes. They are polar compounds having partial positive charge on alkyl group and partial negative charge on halogen atom. Now we come towards general methods for the preparation of alkyl halides. These include number 1, direct halogenations of alkenes. Number 2, addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes and alkynes. Number 3, action of hydrogen halides on alcohol. Number 4, action of phosphorus halides on alcohols. Number 5, action of thionyl chloride on alcohols. Number 6, halogen exchange. Number 7, the Ernst-Becker reaction. Now we discuss one by one each reaction in details. Number 1, halogenation of alkane. It is some sort of substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by as many halogen atoms like bichlorine in chlorination, biobromine in bromination, iodine in iodination or bifluorine in case of fluorination. Now we will discuss chlorination of methane. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of UV visible light or at high temperature, means at 300 degrees C, to yield methyl chloride or chloromethane and hydrogen chloride. The reaction follows free radical mechanism. The overall reaction is as follows: methane CH4 plus chlorine Cl2 in the presence of UV light or temperature produces methyl chloride CH3Cl plus HCl. Number 2, addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes and alkynes, means unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes react with hydrogen halides including HCl, HBr or HI, forming alkyl halides. The reaction is as follows: ethylene or ethene CH2 double bond CH2 reacts with HBr producing ethyl bromide. 2-butene reacts with HBr producing 2-bromo-butane. Number 3, action of halogen acids on alcohol. Alcohol reacts with HBr or HI to produce alkyl bromides or alkyl halides. The net reaction is as follows: ethyl alcohol having formula CH3CH2OH plus HBr. They are reacts with each other to produce ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br plus water molecule. The mechanism of the reaction is as follows: in one step, acid HBr ionizes into H positive, means proton, plus bromide ion. In next step or in second step, H positive or proton abstracts OH negative of alcohol producing water, while bromide ion comes in place of OH producing ethyl bromide. Number 4, action of phosphorus halides on alcohol. Alcohols react with phosphorus halides producing alkyl halides. The reactions are as follows: ethyl alcohol plus PCl5. They react together producing ethyl bromide plus HCl plus phosphorus oxychloride POCl3. Mechanism of the reaction is as follows. Number 5, action of thionyl chloride on alcohol. Alcohols react with thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine to produce alkyl halides. The reaction is as follows: ethyl alcohol plus SOCl2 in pyridine. They react together producing ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Mechanism of the reaction is given as follows, indicating the production of ethyl chloride plus SO2. Number 6. Halogen exchange reaction. In this reaction, the alkyl bromide is treated with concentrated solution of sodium iodide in acetone, producing alkyl iodide. Means in this reaction, halogens are exchanged. The reaction is as follows: ethyl bromide plus sodium iodide. They react together in the presence of pyridine, producing ethyl iodide plus sodium bromide. Number 7. Hertz-Steger reaction. Silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with halogens to give unstable intermediate which is decarboxylated to form alkyl halides. The reaction is as follows: silver acetate reacts with bromine in carbon tetrachloride solvent, producing methyl bromide plus AgBr plus CO2. Mechanism of the reaction is as follows: silver acetate CH3 C double bond OOAg reacts with bromine, producing CH3 C double bond OOBr, which is intermediate. In next step, this intermediate is decarboxylated, producing ethyl bromide or methyl bromide. That's all from today's